Previous year NEET questions and their answers. Topic name thermodynamics. The first question is, a gas is allowed to expand in a well insulated container against a constant external pressure of 2.5 atm from an initial volume of 2.50 liter to a final volume of 4.50 liter. The change in internal energy delta U of the gas in joules will be. Options are A 1136.25 joules, B minus 500 joules, C minus 505 joules, D plus 505 joules. The answer is C minus 505 joules. Question number second. The addition of catalyst during a chemical reaction alters which of the following quantities? The options are A. Internal energy, B. Enthalpy, C. Activation energy, D. Entropy. The correct answer of this question is C. Activation energy. Third question. The heat of combustion of CO2 is minus 393.5 kg per mole. The heat released upon the formation of 35.2 gram of CO2 from carbon and oxygen gas is. Options are A minus 315 kilojoules, B plus 315 kilojoules, C minus 630 kilojoules, D minus 3.15 kilojoules. The correct answer is A minus 315 kilojoules. The fourth question is, which of the following statement is correct for a reversible process in a state of equilibrium? The options are delta G is equal to minus 2.30 RT log K, B delta G is equal to 2.30 RT log K, C standard delta G is equal to minus 2.30 RT log K, D delta G is equal to 2.30 RT log K. The correct answer of this question is A delta G is equal to minus 2.30 RT log K. Dear student, fifth question is, which of the following statement is correct for the spontaneous absorption of a gas? Options are A delta S is negative and therefore delta H should be highly positive. Option B delta S is negative and therefore delta H should be highly negative. C delta S is positive and therefore delta H should be negative. D. Delta S is positive and therefore delta H should also be highly positive. The correct option is B. Delta S is negative and therefore delta H should be highly negative. Sixth question. The enthalpy of fusion of water is 1.435 kilocalorie per mole. The molar entropy change for melting of ice at 0 degree centigrade is A. 10.52 calorie per mole K. B. 21.04 calorie per mole K. C. 5.260 calorie per mole K. D. 0.526 calorie per mole K. The correct option of this answer is C. 5.260 calorie per mole K. Dear student, 7th question. A reaction occurs spontaneously if the options are A. T delta S is less than delta H and both delta H and delta S are positive. B. T delta S is greater than delta H and both delta H and delta S are positive. C. T delta S is equal to delta H and both delta H and delta S are positive. D. T delta S is greater than delta H and delta H is a positive and delta S is a negative. The correct option of this question is B. T delta S is greater than delta H and both delta H and delta S are positive. Dear student, 8th question. According to third law of thermodynamics, which one of the following quantity for perfectly crystalline solid is a zero at absolute zero? The options are A. Free energy, B. Enthalpy, C. Entropy, D. Internal energy. The correct answer of this question is C. Entropy. C. Entropy. My dear student, 9th question. A chemical reaction will be spontaneous if it is accompanied by a decrease in. The options are A. Entropy of the system, B. Enthalpy of the system, C. Internal energy of the system, and D. Free energy of the system. The correct option of this question is D. Free energy of the system. And dear student, last question, 10th question. During isothermal expansion of an ideal gas is A. Options are A. Internal energy increases, B. Enthalpy decreases, C. Enthalpy remains unaffected, D. Enthalpy reduce 0. The correct option of this question is C. Enthalpy remains unaffected. Thank you for dear student watching my video.